Okay, so now we will discuss customizing plot legends. We'll open a new file and we will save the file by the name customizing plot legends. So plot legends give meaning to a visualization, assigning labels to the various plot elements. We previously saw how to create a simple legend. Here we'll take a look at customizing the placement and aesthetics of the legend in Matplotlib. The simplest legend can be created with the plt.legend function command, which automatically creates a legend for any labeled plot elements. Starting it off with the import matplotlib.pyplot as plt.style.use classic. Okay, now we will matplotlib inline import numpy as np. Now x is equals to np dot linspace 0 10 1000. Big ax is equals to plt dot subplots. Now ax dot plot x np dot sign x dash p label sign ax dot plot x np dot. Now dash dash r label cosine ax dot axis equal now leg ax dot my bad leg equals to ax dot legend. So we have this, but there are many ways we might want to customize such a legend. For example, we can specify the location and turn off the frame. Now ax dot legend let's see equals to upper left frame on fig. Now we have this. We can use the ncol command to specify the number of columns in the legend. Let me show you here. Ax dot legend frame on is equals to false. loc equals to lower center and col is equals to 5g. Now we have this. Okay, so now we can use a rounded box, fancy box, or add a shadow, change the transparency, alpha value of the frame, or change the padding around the text. Now let me show you. Ax dot legend fancy box. No, fancy box is equals to true frame alpha is equal to 1 shadow is equals to true border pad is equals to 1 5g. So we have this, and we have a border around the fancy box. So choosing elements for the legend. Now we will choose the elements for the legend. As we have already seen, the legend includes all labeled elements by default. If this is not what is desired, we can fine-tune which elements and labels appear in the legend by using the objects returned by plot commands. The plt.plot function command is able to create multiple lines at once and returns a list of created line instances. Passing any of these to plot plt.legend will tell it with which to identify along with the labels we'd like to specify. Now y is equals to np.sign x np.new x's np.phi np.range 0 to 0.5 lines equals to plt.plot y. Now lines is a list of plt.line 20 instances. plt.legend lines square bracket 2 first, second. Now we have this. Yeah. So we can see here. I generally find in practice that it is clear to use the short first method, applying labels to the plot elements you like to show on the legend. Let me show you how. plt.plot y 0 label first plt.plot x y 1 label second. Now plt.plot y 2. Now plt.legend frame alpha equals to 1 frame on equals to 2, and we have wait, so we have this. Now notice that by default the legend ignores all elements without a label attribute set.